Carbs are flat out delicious. And really truly sticking to a low-carb diet is almost painful because they're everywhere and they're addictively tasty. So we formulated 3-in-1 Carb Blocker to help block carbs and calories that you eat from being fully absorbed. How does this 3-part formula work? For Part 1, we focused on clinical studies that prove how white kidney bean extract inhibits the enzyme that breaks starchy carbs up into calories that turn into fat. You eat the carbs, but your body doesn't turn it all into sugar. That means this avoided starch to sugar conversion can't turn into fat. For Part 2, we included the enzymes lipase and protease to break down the fats and proteins and turn them into energy. And with Part 3, Chromium Picolinate and cinnamon complete the formula by promoting a healthy metabolism and healthy blood sugar levels already within the normal range. All in fast-acting, easy-to-swallow liquid soft gels with BioPerine Complex for enhanced absorption. Take Irwin Naturals 3-in-1 Carb Blocker before eating pasta, bread, or other starchy carbohydrate-packed foods to supercharge your low-carb lifestyle.